Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamars. Today, we get review about two PCS yellow car seat belt covers with GTA Auto 5 design. The two PCS yellow car seat belt covers with GTA Auto 5 design not only add a pop of vibrant color to the interior of your car, but also infuse a touch of gaming excitement. As a gamer and car enthusiast, these seat belt covers caught my attention, and after using them for some time, I can share my thoughts on their design, comfort, and overall functionality. The standout feature of these seat belt covers is undoubtedly the GTA Auto 5 design. Fans of the popular video game series will appreciate the iconic imagery and logo featured on the covers. The attention to detail in replicating the game's graphics is commendable, adding a unique and personalized touch to the car's interior. It's a subtle nod to gaming culture and serves as a conversation starter for fellow enthusiasts. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these seat belt covers prioritize comfort. The covers are made from a soft and plush material that feels gentle against the skin. The padding provides an added layer of cushioning, making the seat belts more comfortable, especially during long drives. The covers effectively prevent any chafing or irritation that can occur from prolonged contact with seat belts. Installation is a breeze with a hook and loop closure system. The covers securely wrap around the seat belts and can be easily adjusted to fit snugly. This simplicity makes them suitable for users who may want to switch between different designs or remove them for washing. The covers maintain their position without slipping or sliding during use, ensuring a consistent and comfortable fit. Durability is a key consideration, especially for accessories that are in constant contact with users. These seat belt covers are constructed from durable materials that withstand daily use and exposure to various weather conditions. The stitching is robust, contributing to the overall longevity of the product. One potential improvement could be the option for universal sizing to accommodate a broader range of seat belt dimensions. While the current size fits standard seat belts, having an adjustable option could cater to a wider audience. In conclusion, the two PCS yellow car seat belt covers with GTA Auto 5 design successfully blend gaming aesthetics with practical comfort. Their eye-catching design, ease of installation, and comfort-enhancing features make them a worthwhile addition to the car interior, particularly for gamers who want to express their passion for virtual adventures even while on the road.